a great fan of Nixon's. Look at that one. Just come out of the sun. I just make an emotion.
Every now and again, you just kind of look at the road in front of you, like you're riding, looks like a normal path, and then you remember where you are.
Yeah, you look to the left and then see that.
Look out! I'm on one hand now.
And again, I'm cracking it because I just want to. Ow! Ow! Oh, she's stacked it! She always stacks it. Give me that before she crashes again.
After a few days here in Alice Springs, I've just been holed up working, and Chris has been doing some things to the car and, you know, just bits and pieces. It is now time to pack up and head off to Uluru, Ayers Rock. We're going to try our luck at the campground there, maybe the Overflow, maybe Curtin Springs, wherever we fit. We just realised that the school holidays start in 5 days. So we are going to get there as quickly as possible, do what we can. Hopefully there's room for us, but right now it's all systems go as we pack up, fill the tanks, dump the toilet, all those fun things. And we'll be continuing with the Campedia crew for a little bit longer, and after Ayers Rock we will part ways and they go to Darwin and then we start heading south. The owner of this wayside inn, Jim Cottrell, is a tourism pioneer of Central Australia. And the race is on. Let's see what else there is here. Toilets if you need them. There's a sign here that says bar, dining and reception. So let's head this way.
I just wanted to dance.
Do the dance. Oh, look at you go. What a great little spot. Man! Just park up here next to the fire while Chris gets his food or whatever it is that he needs to do. And look what I just noticed. This is a seat, which is wood on toilet. Is one giant rocking chair. Let's see. Does it rock? Yes, it does. There's exercise equipment. This makes it the best pub ever. You can watch everyone having their meals and drinking and do a little workout. One thing about outback pubs and roadhouses, you never know what you're going to find. Dangerous land snake. Hey. Yeah. So more than just one Smurf. Well, that was a fun little stop. Hopefully Chris got his food and time to hit the road.
I've seen some beautiful Nissans in my time, and I've always been a great fan of Nissans, but look at that one. That's just a beauty.
So where are we?
Aldunda Roadhouse, and we've had a slight detour. Originally, we've been in Alice for a little while. We did the east side, then we pulled back in for a few days to catch up on some work, and then the plan was to do the northwest side of the McDonald, all the way along, all the way around Kings Canyon, back all the way through Palms, and then back to Alice, and then down. But we just had a bit of a brain fade and didn't realise that in 5 days, it's school holidays, so change plans. So we're going to Uluru first while school holidays, before school holidays, get that out the way and then make our way back up again and do all that. So
left Alice Springs, this is us here turning off at Aldunda to go down this road to get to Uluru. Always get get excited when I see fellow Tasmanians on the road. These guys look like they've been out here for a little while. The other guys are just pulling in now. We're going to figure out if we're going to stay here or continue on to Uluru. As far as I know, this place offers free unpowered camping and it does offer powered sites as well. The executive decision has been made to push on to Uluru, so we are not staying at Curtin Springs. This is where we've ended up, in the overflow with our neighbours again. Time to set up. Gonna leave the guys doing whatever it is they're doing back there and I'm gonna take you for a bit of a wander. Getting here is not a problem. They were fully booked out for powered sites, fully booked out for unpowered, but as you can see in the overflow, there's heaps of room. So we did not book. Mind you, we did try, but yeah, there's no need to book. Eddie's block is just a really short walk from the overflow, which is handy for those who need toilets and showers. We don't, obviously. Little grassy sites called lawn sites, I guess. Some of them are being watered at the moment, others have tents in them. Chris has decided to join me on my little adventure. I think we're going to book an extra night. This is a really busy little campground. Mini golf, swimming pool, more toilets everywhere, and a playground up the back there. Table and chair area. That's all done and booked in. We have got 4 nights here now, so recommended minimum 4 nights, longer if you can, but be prepared. There is always going to be a lineup like this to get in. And it keeps going. I'm going to take you all the way along. Just in the information centre, booking our Field of Lights tour. And now I'm going to have a look at the camel tours. Really wanted to do the camels to the Field of Lights and have dinner, but apparently that tour doesn't run anymore, so I'm going to see what. Didn't end up booking in for the camels because Chris went to get a coffee and I've got no idea what we're doing tomorrow. I think we're doing the Olgas, so I've got all the information to have a look through and call them. They're actually booked out for their sunset tour, which is a bit sad, but we're on the waiting list for Wednesday night and Thursday night, so we'll see how we go. Just gonna go and see if I can find Chris. So just in the village, there's an IGA, there's a heap of clothing shops, information centre. I think the cafe's down this way. Hair studio, t-shirt shop. Found him. I went and had a chat to Chris and we have agreed to do the Camel to Sunrise tour tomorrow. So that's all booked in. That was $135 each and we ride the camels for about an hour and a half and then we go and have breakfast at the camel farm. So a bit excited about that. Would you believe it is still raining? It's actually getting a little bit heavier, so we're going to head to the rock now and see if we can find one of those miraculous little waterfalls comes trickling off the side of the rock.
And the rock, you can just see it, look at that. Yep, you got to put it in front of that scanny thing right there. Oh. Show them your ticket.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Someone's super cranky today, so apologies. You have to get out in the rain.
That's so low, it's ridiculous. Oh, my truck's so big, that's ridiculous. That's probably more ridiculous, isn't it?
Probably.
Than a normal car. He's sorting it. You're right, buddy.
I get excited easily, and I'm extremely excited right now because I can see water pouring down off the rock everywhere. This one over here
It's like, relax.
keeps telling me to calm the farm.
Calm the farm because we're not close yet.
That's exciting! Oh, look at that! Going to park in this car park, and we've just had word that it is raging at the gorge of the fuel platform, so
I'm filming you, filming me.
step out of the way of my waterfall. This is magical. It's raining at Uluru. This is the men's cave. The Mala people came from the north and could see Uluru. It looked like a good place to stay a while. Go on. We have the right shoe wear on for this excursion. He's filming with one hand because my other hand is holding this umbrella. So, whatever is in focus that wants to be in focus right now. Closer now. Look at that. Wow. Here we go. So close. Oh.
Right, quick, get in there, get in there, quick,
Big waterfall.
quick. Has Uluru brought it on or what? Ready? I'm gonna go up. You ready?
Okay. Good luck. Good luck. It's wet. Oh yes, spinning shot.
The lens is wet.
Sorry.
How rad was that?
Pretty right.
Has anyone ever seen Uluru in the rain? Because
Yeah, has
it's pretty
anyone
special,
seen
isn't
it in
it?
the wet? Because I think it's probably more spectacular in the wet than it is at sunrise or something. To be fair, we haven't seen it at either yet. Tomorrow we are doing sunrise with the camels.
And we are drenched.
Literally, you can wring us out.
Yeah,
Don't
anyway,
wring our pants down
it's
anyway.
well worth it.
Another exciting day here at Uluru. We are getting ready to head off to do the Camel to Sunrise tour. Are you excited down there? Mm-hmm. He's still waking up. It's pretty early. Yeah. Waiting for the buses. You're on a camel.
Cold.
I'm so excited.
2 degrees and
We're cruising along between 3 and 5 kilometers per hour, and over there is fog, which is very rare here. How are you feeling about the views of the fog instead of the rock?
Very foggy.
Apparently by now you would be able to see the rock, and this is the first time that this tour guide has actually ever seen fog like this, which is pretty cool.
And note, they need to have a coffee machine. How do you turn?
Still needs his coffee. He's a little bit bored. The camels are moving a little bit slowly for him.
I was bored in the first 10 metres.
I, on the other hand, am absolutely loving it. I've always wanted to ride a camel.
And a motorbike and mountain bike has suspension. This thing doesn't. Jeez, out on your back.
It's not too bad. We're riding Spinifex. He is apparently the oldest camel of the bunch, and he's doing a very good job. And behind Chris we have... That's Chris's buddy Nico. And it's cold, so gloves are on.
Point to the rock.
The rock. Where is it?
That way.
There's the rock.
And I'll go a little camel toe for you.
It's getting thicker and thicker and thicker. So this was a camel to sunrise tour, and we didn't know if the sun had risen or not, but look, there it is. We have a white rainbow. That is bizarre. What? Heading back in now. And I think you're excited about that, aren't you?
Yeah, because I pee and get a coffee, and now the sun's burning the fog away a little.
We saw no Uluru, we saw no desert other than what was right next to us because of the fog, and now...
But it was pretty cool.
Very cool? Like freezing cold?
Like 2 degrees.
How are your hands? Show me your fingers, are they...
Do we look the same?
He's only half down.
This is not funny. All the way.
He's pushing me. You stop pushing me, bro.
Push. Come on. Push down. Push down.
I'm holding on.
Spin effects.
Maybe I need 2 hands.
Oh, just scary. Okay, come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3, push down. Come on. Quick, angry teacher voice. Oh, push down.
Stop.
All the way, thank you.
Hey, oh,
Okay, feet out of your stirrups.
oh, good.
Lean back, leg up. Right down.
There you go.
Leg up. Not leaning back, leg up. Yeah, we can swing around.
Use the motorbike.
Oh, watch where you walk. Part we've all been waiting for. Nice and warm. Look what's under there. The tour was great. The hot chocolate is good. And the damper is delicious. How was your damper?
Good.
Good. How was your coffee? Are you warming up now?
Yeah, a little bit.
Well, I had a great time. So after a morning of riding camels, we are now going to be riding our Emtbs around the base of Uluru.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world going bad.
Here we are, Uluru and our Merida MTBs.
Yes, these are going to be taking us around the base of the rock today, not
Yeah.
our gumboots like yesterday.
And not once, maybe twice or 3 or 4 times.
Maybe a
so
few laps. It's only 10Ks, so
I think we'll get around pretty quickly as well.
there's a lot of people on the track though. So
With normal bikes too.
and I don't have a bell to go ding ding ding. So look out, we're coming through.
Turn on the news, a sad state of affairs. Half the people die while the rest of us are splitting hairs. It's a good world gone bad.
So this is actually one of my favourite parts of the rock.
Look at that.
The other part is around the other side that looks similar. It looks like a kind of, I don't know, big
It's
whale
crazy,
mouth
isn't it?
or something. Yeah, it's cool. It's so cool.
Look at that. Well, there would have been a waterfall yesterday.
Oh, it would have been insane. Well, it was insane yesterday. We were here. Not on this side though. Of course, I stopped at the one thing where there's nothing. There's nothing on this sign.
Well, there's that.
There's that behind the sign.
Wow.
A sheltered rest stop in front of the sign. In case you're doing... Oh.
Man, you are real. This place is mind-blowing, isn't it?
It really is. It is. You can't really explain it, and I'm sure that our pictures are not going to do it justice.
No. And if you've been here, you get it, don't you?
If you've been here, comment and let us know what you thought of it. Was it hot? Was it cold? Someone actually messaged us and said it was snowing the first time they came. Yesterday, apparently, it was the coldest that it had in ages. Did you hear that?
What?
They tried to get bikes, but they didn't. But they were closed.
Oh, they tried to hire bikes, but it was closed. What's the time?
2:51. I don't know if it was closed today or if it was closed because they sold out or if it was closed. It's winter. I don't know. They couldn't get bikes. That's bad. That's why you need to have your own and bring them with you.
Look at that.
This is what our ride has been like. It's been like fast and then slow and then stop. And then slow and then stop and then a little bit of fast.
Yeah, this has not been a continuous ride.
We're going to put the camera away. We're just going to ride and enjoy it. Then we're like,
Yeah.
oh, but this is so good. We have to capture this bit.
Yeah, I'm cracking it. Yet again, I'm cracking it because I just want to. Ow! Ow! Oh, she stacked it! She always stacks it.
I ran into you.
Come on, pick your bike up. Now you've stacked it at Uluru as well.
Oh, no.
Oh, man. Is there anywhere in Australia where you're not going to stack your bike?
Poor bike. I'm sorry.
That poor Merida has got
Sorry, Merida.
every bit of dirt around Australia on its handlebars.
Oh, it's still in pretty good shape. All right, I'm going to keep going. Bye.
Don't stack it. I can't believe you stacked it again. Is anyone surprised that Miriam stacked it again?
I'm not even surprised.
Can you leave a comment if you want to train her or something? Just teach her to be a better rider because I've tried everything possible and I can't train her.
Stop. You're so mean.
Okay, so that was the east side, wasn't it? Because the sun's behind us.
I think it was the east side.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's no sun here.
Now we're coming over to, I think, to probably the north side because we're going to start seeing the westerly sun now.
I can't figure out directions at the best of times, so...
Oh, the east side is spectacular. It's totally different to the west side. The west side is a lot larger and... Oh, no, it's not, is it? You can just get more up and close with the east side. Is that correct? Yeah.
They're both different.
Yeah, they're both, well,
And
they're
it's
different.
really hard to explain.
That's two different sides. That's amazing that they're different.
Top or the bottom, whichever one it is, has got like a big whale mouth, which we'll come to around here.
Yeah.
It almost looks like an eye as well. And then there's more of like the caves, the bigger caves on this side.
Yeah, yeah. All right. Well, now we're back in the sun.
We are. It was really cold through there.
Oh, they got e-bikes, look. Cool electric bikes. Yoo-hoo! How you feeling? How's this experience for you?
It's kind of breathtaking, really. Every now and again, you just kind of look at the road in front of you, like you're riding, it's like a normal path, and then you remember where you are and you look. And
Yeah, you look to the left and then see that.
put myself in boost mode. That's dangerous.
How's your bike going?
My bike is going very well, thank you for asking. It's recovered quite well.
Yeah, it has hit the ground a few times, hasn't it?
Once,
Once?
today.
Oh, right, okay. Now we go left.
Look out. I'm on one hand now.
One hand on the handlebars.
Look, one hand. No hand. I'm okay though.
Give me that before she crashes again. How was that? Right, our Emtb's around Ayers Rock. How good is that? Hey?
And we did it in
Uluru, Ayers Rock, whatever.
52 minutes with stops because we stopped a few times and took a few.
Yeah, we did heaps of stops. So anyway,
so
let's go again.
Yeah, let's go again. Another early start to the day.
Yeah, awesome.
Chris loves early morning.
But even better, it's nice and warm.
Especially when it's 3 degrees. And it's probably going to get colder as the sun starts to come. But anyway, it's the field of lights for us this morning. And then sunrise, which is pretty special.
So pretty and special.
From lights to Olgas, the day's adventures continue. Are you excited about this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. You weren't too excited about the field of light.
It's way easier looking at it on the internet, but
it is.
Because it's freezing cold.
What did you think of it? What did you think of the whole adventure?
Yeah. Would have preferred to lay in bed with the heater on, but hey, that's alright.
You say you've seen it now.
I'm not a great real touristy thing. I just prefer to.
Not a great real touristy thing.
No, doing real touristy things. I just
You're
prefer
a fan
to.
Of touristy.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, I just don't really like it. I just don't like being a busload of. Yeah, being a busload of.
Anyway, that was fun. So now we're going to go and hike around the Olgas or through the Olgas or whatever it is you do at the Olgas. I'm sure there'll be people around, but probably not as many as were at the Field of Lights with us this morning. At the Olgas, and it says that just up here is a place to view it from. So we've pulled over and we're going to walk up and see what we can view. This is what we can see. Putting it into perspective where we are, that's Uluru over there. And then over this way, the Olgas. That was our first viewing of the Olgas. Aside from being freezing, what did you think?
It was beautiful. It'll look better when we get there though.
Yeah, we've got to get a little bit closer now.
Behind me, we have the Olgas, which is what? Kata Tjuta?
Yeah.
Kata Tjuta? I don't even know.
And
this is the Walpa Gorge walk.
It is. So how long does this walk take?
You were here, I don't know, 2.6 k's 1 hour. So we'll do it in 40 minutes because we're rad.
You say that every time.
And it takes pretty much the same time, doesn't it?
It usually longer.
It takes what it says.
Usually longer because we're filming.
Because we're filming and taking photos and blah 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 blah. Let's go.
So we know it's windy, but someone that just walked down told me to hold on to that camera because it's really windy up there. So.
And we're not even in the Valley of the Wind. The Valley of the Wind's walk is
windy.
Obviously the valley with lots of wind. Wait till we get there.
Let's see how we go here first, I think.
Are you ready for it?
Look at the rocky path. They said it was going to be rocky.
Well, we are in rocks, darling, so...
Well, we're not even inside yet, so, but out here it's just...
How amazing is that rock behind us with the sun? Look at that.
Yeah. Rock is big, sun is bright. Wow.
So, we've just come out of the sun. Did I just smack you in the nose then?
Yeah.
I just smacked you in the nose, you probably deserved it. It's still a little bit cold, isn't it?
Oh, I've got my my method wind jacket thing on and I'm okay because my nose and I can't breathe properly.
Anyway,
Everything else is warm.
I hope you can hear us because it's that windy. I don't think the mic's going to get smashed. So, warm?
I'm fine.
Yeah, sure you are.
This jacket is actually really warm. My nose, on the other hand. Okay.
Look at that. So, who said this was enjoyable? You know what I prefer right now?
I know, being in the caravan.
Back in the caravan with the gas heater on.
And a cup of coffee.
And a cup of coffee.
I get it.
So we've seen the Olgas. Can we go now?
Nah, we're going that way. Let's go.
And to make it even worse, I feel like a homie with my hat on my belt.
Someone brought a cap. Yeah. Wait. Instead of their beanie.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Fully looks like moon rocks.
Yeah.
Not that I've been to the moon, but I've watched heaps of Star Trek. And that. It's just all moon rocks.
That's how Chris films. That's his contribution.
This is my filming.
To get out of this walk by saying, oh look, we can't go any further and turn around. But no, my friend.
How do you know it goes that way?
We are continuing.
How do you know it goes that way?
Well, because.
Right, you're just going to be legally, you're going to walk around.
Not legally. That's a viewing platform. Let's go. Turns out that he actually was right this time.
Well, I'm always right.
Yeah.
Ah!
So that sign actually does say that the walking track
Ripped off.
is closed. So.
That fence really isn't holding up with the wind though, look.
No. Well, are you going to do your happy dance now?
Yep, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go back down.
Now we get to do the Valley of the Winds, which is like a really long one. So much better, let's go! We've made it back into the sunlight. Are you happy?
Me and my homies, yeah.
It's still colder, that wind is really not helping things. Well, we are back in the car park and I thought that maybe we might have missed a sign somewhere down here that said that the walk is closed. But there's nothing that I can actually see, so maybe a little bit of advice to whoever runs this place. Put a sign up in the car park that that walk is closed.
Yeah, do you want to let everyone know before we do hoik all the way up there and get to a nice fence? Beautiful fence with warning signs saying track closed. That's a bit of a close-up. Closey!
Extreme close-up.
Yep. We have made the executive decision to not do the Valley of the Winds walk, are we?
Yeah, well, he doesn't like walking at the best of times, and he's freezing cold, and he hasn't got the right clothes on. So the Olgas are beautiful.
Yep.
And they're nice from here, and I'm sure they're nice from in there as well.
Oh.
And if you want to see it, we suggest that you come and see
Yeah,
it.
come look for yourself, but we ain't doing it and we're not going to show you. So.
Bye!
Bye! Remarkably like my partner, Miriam. You actually smell like her too. Don't rap dance on the ripples, dude.
Look at the face behind the boy.
Hello.